Welcome to Elzato Overseas Education Study Euro Indore. We bring overseas education within your reach through our extensive experience of international education. 4 years young professionally managed organization with 200 plus years of experience of team.
We deal in 3,000 plus universities across 30 plus countries such as Italy, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Europe and many more. We provide 70,000 plus course options to students across 30 plus countries globally. So now I'm going to tell you about education in Italy. You would be getting fully funded scholarship along with free hostel facility wherein you get a 2-star hotel-like hostel and a stipend of rupees 4.5 lakhs every year. You would also be getting Schengen visa, which would allow you to travel to 27 European countries and also work over there. No kind of exam is to be given for admission in Italian universities such as IELTS, GRE, GMAT, SAT, TOEFL. Also, you would be able to work as part-time. In Italy, the minimum wage is from 7 to 8 euros per hour and you can work for 20 hours in a week, which makes it to 80 hours in a month, wherein you can save anywhere around 50,000 to 55,000. Then you would also be getting free medical facility in Italy. And all of these you would be getting in the top 500 QS world ranking public universities in Italy.
Hello, this is Vidushi. I am Application Manager at Elzato Overseas Education, and today I am going to tell you about admission and its criteria. We are dealing with world-class universities like University of Bologna, University of Padua, Polytechnic di Milan, Polytechnic di Turin, etc. And all these universities are under 500 ranking according to QS World Ranking. Now, who can apply for the admission? So, all the bachelor pursuing bachelor completed, master pursuing master completed and 12th pursuing 12th completed students can apply for the admission. And the minimum criteria for admission is 60%. Also, you don't have to give any kind of exam like IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, etc. because your admission is completely based on your medium of instruction. It's a certificate that certifies that your education held in English. It can be provided by your respective school or college. Courses are available in all streams like engineering, management, fashion, tourism, etc. Now, for your admission, we need your basic documents like your passport, your medium of instruction, your CV, national ID, letter of recommendation, statement of purpose, your mark sheets or transcripts, degree, bona fide certificate, your photograph, etc. Once you completed all these documentation, we will proceed with your application in your desired universities. After completing your application, we will provide you a receipt. It's a proof that yes, we have applied for your admission in your desired universities. Once you get the admission, then we will proceed further with your scholarship process. And about your scholarship process, Mr. Pahare will explain you in details. Thank you.
Hello, I am Amit Pahare, Director at Elzato Overseas Education Study Euro Indore. Ms. Vidushi has already told you the first step to get the free education in Italy, that is admission process. Now I will tell you regarding the second process to get the free education in Italy, that is scholarship process. Very important process, and I should say it is the heart of the whole process. So let's discuss in detail. What are the benefits of a scholarship? So there are 3 benefits of a scholarship and each and every student will get 100% sure these benefits. Let's discuss. First is free education, means zero tuition fees. Second, free hostel facilities with all essential amenities like very good rooms, separate washrooms, common TV area, common washing area, playgrounds, gym and many more amenities. Third and very important is 5,200 euro scholarship per year. Yes, in Indian rupees it is 4.5 lakh rupees per year and every student will get this. Now Who is providing the scholarships? So regional authorities of Italian government is providing the scholarships. Yes, Italian government. What is the eligibility criteria? There is no eligibility criteria. Every student who will get offer letter, admission letter from universities will definitely get the scholarship. I will explain it with example. Suppose there is a student A and a student B. Student A's percent is 60%. Student B's percent is 90%. Then both of them will get the scholarship. So it means that a scholarship is not depending on your academic records. It totally depends on your financial documents. Now let's discuss what are the documents required. So there are 3 documents required for the scholarships. First is family income certificate. Second is property certificate. And third is bank statement certificates. All 3 documents are very easy to make, because these documents will be used for the scholarship purpose only. So it is very easy to make. I have explained you in detail regarding the benefits of a scholarship, documents required and eligibility criteria. Now what next? Next process is apostille, translation and legalization of scholarship documents, and that will be done by us. After that, we are having a separate and a dedicated team members for scholarship applications. So they will fill your scholarship applications to the respective Italian authorities, and will take a continuously follow up with them, and at last they will take your scholarship approved, and this is 100% sure. Thank you so much for being with me.
Thank you so much, Mr. Amit Pahare, for guiding about the scholarship program. So now I am going to tell you about visa process. Visa in Italy involves 2 steps. First is your admission confirmation and second is your passport dropping. For admission confirmation, student needs to go to the Italian embassy for the interaction of 2 to 3 minutes only with the visa officer about the courses and why he wants to go to Italy. Second, after 15 to 20 days, student needs to go for the passport dropping, where he needs to submit all his academic documents, his original passport and his financial document, and the bank statement of minimum 8 to 10 lakh rupees of balance and the transaction history of last 30 days.
So far, we have learned about education in Italy with 100% scholarships, free hostel facilities and a stipend of 4.5 lakh rupees per year. Admissions are now open for September 2021 intake. To know more about overseas education globally, contact me on 9770 915 100.